Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, access tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut one more time. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead. Look for location section over here and click on it. Then turn it off or on thanks to this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!